you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Alxr, and today's video I'm going to show you 4 different ways you can lace the Jordan 4 Breds. I've got this pair right here. I did film a pickup vlog review and on fit on them, so I will be dropping that pretty soon. But this video is pretty highly requested and I know you guys really like these videos, so I figured I'd drop this video first. As always, let me know in the comments which is your favourite lacing style. Was it 1, 2, 3 or 4? At the end of each lacing style I'm going to show you what they look like on fit, so make sure you stay tuned throughout the entire video. Now let's get straight into it. Okay, so I've got the shoes on, completely unlaced, ready to go. Let's get straight into lacing them up, and let's start off with this shoe first. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take the lace and thread it through this hole right here and this hole right here. So just take the lace and pull, and then do the exact same thing for the other side. So put it through and pull. And then what you're going to want to do is take the laces and hold them at the very top, just like so, and then hold the bottom part and pull up, because what you want to do is make sure that the laces are the same length on either side, and that's just going to basically do that. Next thing you're going to want to do, now you've put the laces in, is just lace them all the way up. So to do that, you want to take the inside lace first and put that through the second hole on the outside of the shoe, and then pull through, and then leave it like slightly loose. This is like up to you now, so you can leave it as loose as you want, so you can have it like that. But me personally, I think it looks good slightly loose, not too loose, and keep the laces flat as well, so they're not turning or anything. Now you've done that, take the outside lace and put it through the inside and pull, keeping the laces flat and as loose as you want them. Me personally, I think it looks good slightly loose. And take the inside, put it through the third hole, through the outside and pull, and take the outside and put it through the inside and pull, and then the inside rather, through the outside, and then the outside through the inside, and then the inside through the outside, and then the outside through the inside, keeping the laces flat and loose as you work your way up the shoe. Inside to the outside, outside to the inside, inside to the outside, and then outside to the inside. Now you got to these 2 wings here and here, so what you're going to want to do is take the outside lace and thread it through, and then through the wing, and then leave as much lace as you want. I recommend about that much, because you don't want it to go past the sole, because you don't want the laces to drag underneath your shoes and possibly rip. So don't leave too much lace out, just leave enough lace hanging out so that it won't get ripped when you're walking. And then take the inside lace and put it through the outside, and leave a little bit hanging out. And then what you want to do now is just loosen the laces off, going all the way down, and then use your thumbs and pull on the sides of the shoes, just like that. And that is how to loosely lace Jordan 4s. So for the second style, let's start off with this shoe once again, and this is the bunny ear look. So what you're going to want to do is take the lace out of the wing, just like that, and then do the other side as well, and then knot the shoes and tie a bow, just like that. And that is the bunny ear look, and you just want to move the shoes around, get them how you want them to look. Looks pretty fresh. So for the third style, this is the factory lace look. What you're going to want to do is just tighten the shoes up all the way up the shoe like they would look if you just bought them, if you just got them fresh out of the box. So just tighten them all the way up, pull, keeping the laces flat. Once you get to the wings, take the inside lace and put it through the outside and pull, and then the outside and put it through the inside and pull, and then the inside through the second hole on the wings. So inside to outside and pull, and then outside through inside and pull. Now what you're going to want to do is just tighten the laces until you have enough lace at the top to knot. So just tighten the laces just like that. That should be about enough lace. Now what you're going to want to do is take your finger all the way down, take your 2 fingers and your thumb and wrap the laces going around your 2 fingers, and then tuck the lace up underneath through the hole just like that, and then pull. And that is the factory lace look. So for the fourth and final lacing style, this is the bar lacing method, and we're just going to start with this shoe first as always. So what you're going to want to do is take the lace. This is completely different from all the other methods, so yeah, it's completely different. You just want to take the lace and thread it through the bottom hole first, pull up, and then do the other side as well and pull. And then take the laces, hold them at the very top, and then move the laces around until they're the same length on either side. And as you can see, they're the same length on either side. So this is like completely different now to the other styles of lacing. What you're going to want to do is take the inside lace and thread it through the third hole going up on the same side. Take the inside lace and thread it through the third hole and pull. And then take the lace and put it to the outside of the shoe through the third hole. So skip a hole, put it through the next one up, so the third hole, and pull. And then take the outside lace, put it through the outside hole, and pull. And then put that going to the inside through the second hole. And pull. As you can see, it kind of creates that like bar look. It looks really cool in my opinion. Next thing you're going to want to do is take the inside lace, skip a hole once again, put it through the next hole and pull. And then put the lace through the outside of the shoe and pull, keeping the laces flat whilst doing so. Then take the outside lace, put it through that hole right there, and pull, and then put that through to the inside of the shoe and pull. Take the inside lace, skip a hole once again, put it through the inside, and take the inside, skip a hole, and put it through the outside, just like that. Then take the outside, put it through that hole right there, and pull, and then the outside to the inside, just like that. that is the bar lacing method. That's how you lace them. Next thing you're going to want to do is just do the factory lace look and pull. Then take the lace and tuck it behind the tongue so it's completely out of the way so you can't see it. And that is how to bar lace your Air Jordan 4s. So that was just 4 different ways to lace the Jordan Bred 4s. Make sure to let me know in the comment section which is your favourite lacing style. Was it 1, 2, 3 or 4? Personally, I think they look so fire when they're laced loosely. Like, doesn't that just look like super sick where the laces hang over the edge? I think it looks really fire this way. But make sure to let me know in the comments which your favourite lacing style is. 1, 2, 3 or 4. Today's comment shout out goes to Kane Jacobs. Thank you for watching, I really appreciate it. If you did enjoy this video, if you did find it helpful, smash the thumbs up button. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button down below for more videos from me. Also turn on the bell so you get notified every single time I upload a brand new video. Oh, it's been your boy Sam Alxr. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm out. Peace.
I'm on a new level, headed to another league. This shit will never stop. My future looks overseas. I'm on a new level. Check out the blueprint. I'm rocking Gucci, mixed match with Givenchy. I'm on a new level, so see if I can new drip. Chest like it's Nike. May I just do it?